Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. The week started on the 15th, but there was no trade on 15th. So 16th, I start having some trades. So this is the first one on the 16th January, and it's a sell for Nasdaq from 167 to 160, almost like 167, 57 to 167, right? So this is the short side. And now see if you, this is the small arrow here. That means that my EA, expert advisor robot, is taking these trades, right? So yeah, so this is a small short trade on Nasdaq on the 16th. Now on the 16th, S&P 500, also the small sell order here, right here, taken by the EA. Then on the 16th, a pound USD from 7-minute chart, right? Beautiful short setup all the way down here. This is a 7-minute chart, so even the move looks very big, but the trade is only for 80 pip. This one is also a Euro USD from 7-minute chart for 70 pip. All of these are on 16th. It's a lot of trades on 16th. This is also 16th. You can see 16 January, the Euro Yen from 20-minute chart. Beautiful long setup with taken by the EA. CTS alarm 5. Not the alarm, the live trade robot. And this one is on the 17th now. So 17, I had this pound Aussie long trade, beautiful buy order here by the book entry and for 110 pip. The daily range for pound Aussie is a lot. It's I think it's like 160 pip something. Then look at this. No, the daily is hidden there. This is the weekly calculation. Okay, forget about it. So I'll show you later. Now on the 17th, pound yen, beautiful long setup here taken by the EA. And look, it is for 100 pip. It's very, very easy. And you just have to, do your analysis. And then, well, I do the analysis anyway. And then place your EA and make it long only, short only if you have to. And then just let it be there. And then it takes the setup. Takes the trade when the setup is available. So this one is US oil. On the 17th, short setup, beautiful, beautiful by the book entry, right? From 71, almost like 72 to 71, 70.85 actually. On the 17th January, the gold trade, beautiful short setup here, nice and clean. Sell orders right there. And this is also USD oil going back up again, long setup here from 71.81 to 73.13. Now, this is Nasdaq again going to the upside. This is also taken by the EA robot. You see this little arrow? That's what it is. I had it long only, and then it just took this one and then gone to the win. This one is S&P 500 going back up. Same here as well, taken by the EA. And it is from here, 47.36 to 47.60. This is a long, on the 19th. Now this is Euro Yen from 7-minute chart. Small 7-minute chart is, you can't go much longer. I mean, like not big trades, small shots in and out, 55 pip here. And then I got out because when it retraces, then, it takes all the profit away. So you have to be very quick in and out, 50, 60 pip and close the trade most of the time. This pound yen has a big daily range. So this is a buy entry here, and I let it go. See this little arrow taken by the EA and all the way. See, look, this is the entry, this is the entry, this is the entry. 3 entry, one of these, right? And from here to here, it's 70 pip on the long side. And this is actually, that was on the 19, but this is also 19, but, by mistake, the date is placed at 18, right? So this is short from here and all the way down for 95 pip. This is Euro-Aus. But see, if you look at it, this is the entry is on MD18 and trade was closed on 19. So that's why. So, I put 18 here for the entry. Now on the 19, Aussie Yen also going to the upside, long trade. And see, this one is a long trade here. I, by mistake, placed the this yellow mark here. Well, it was there, but somehow, my SL didn't hit, and then it went up all the way to 60 pip here. 7-minute chart, it looks the big move, but since the candles are small in size, the big size, it's only 60 pip. And then last but not the least is gold. Look at how beautiful this entry is, and all the way there from 219 and up, and for 2019 to 2036. That's where I closed the trade and ended up the week like this. Okay, so these are the trades taken by some by manually by myself, but most of them are taken by the EA robot, and it's available on my website. If you go, you can take a look into it, and it's somewhere here. And if you want to be, like my subscriber, or you want to sign up for one-on-one course or lifetime. By the way, I'm going to start the 50% discount on most of the products from tonight, Friday night. And if you're interested, you just go on my website and sign up. And this is my website. I also have the this Telegram channel where I post my videos and trade setups and all of that time to time, right? That's a big help, and that's it. And if you like what you saw, you want to get my videos on time. Sometimes I make the video with the setups, which I will over the weekend. Some maybe gold, video or oil video, or indices, right? And show you the upcoming setup for the next week. So if you want to get my video, as soon as I upload them, subscribe the YouTube channel so that you will get my videos quickly, right? And you can take advantage of that. And like I said, that if you want to subscribe, then sign or sign up for one-on-one. I have a few opening right now because I just closed some, right? So I can handle maybe 2 or 3 more right now. So yeah, one-on-one course is like a 10-hour course. I teach every single aspect of trading, my system, not only my system, my EA and alarm and everything, trend line and SNR level and Elliott wave, harmonic patterns. You learn every single thing in detail in this course, one-on-one course. So if you don't know much and if you want to get in this business, then you must do that, right? So learning is the key. Once you learn, then you can do trading profitably. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. How do I stop recording?